Hello, I'm Kevin McGrath, your librarian, and today I'm doing a sample book report on Ghost by Jason Reynolds. This book starts a series where there are four books in the series. It's called the Track series. This particular book won the National Book Award because it's written so well. The characters are fascinating. Let me read you a small excerpt. This is when the main character, Ghost, meets his track coach, who drives a taxi, by the way. Listen to this. Where I live. Where I live. When anyone asks about where I live, I get weird because people always treat you funny when they find out you stay in a certain kind of neighborhood. But I was used to people treating me funny. When your clothes are two sizes too big and you got on no-name sneakers and your mother cuts your hair, and it looks like your mother cuts your hair, you get used to people treating you funny. So what's one more person? Glass Manor, I said. You know where that's at? Coach didn't blink. Yeah, I know where that is. And right here, you get a little understanding of these two characters. One's kind of ashamed, Ghost is ashamed of where he's from, and Coach knows about this neighborhood. So right away, they have this bond beginning to form. And the whole book's written like that. Ghost is a very vulnerable character with a very interesting past, and Coach ends up, I don't want to give too much away, but Coach ends up being kind of a mentor and helping Ghost to become the young man he was born to be. Jason Reynolds is very good at writing this kind of book. He has won the Coretta Scott King honor four times that I'm aware of. At least four of the books we have in the library here have that honor. He's also won the Newbery honor. He's gotten the Prins Award honor for excellence in young adult literature. Kids love his books. I love his books. He can write in poetry, he can write in verse. Like I said, I can't recommend this book highly enough. He's written as brave as you. They chose him to write the Spider-Man book. That's what a big deal he is. The Boy in the Black Suit, you may have read, All American Boys, is getting renewed attention because of what's going on in the United States right now. But Jason Reynolds really has his fingers on the pulse of things. And if you want a contemporary book written for middle schoolers, but even old people like me enjoy reading them, I can't recommend Ghost highly enough. It's in the library, it's available right now. I finished it, and I hope you like it as much as I did. Thank you.